what I'm saying is that when I was finishing my, in fact, when I was in my finishing my degree, I spent a lot of time in the lab, and then sometimes I was sleeping, and I think I was sleeping on my eye, and of course,
Can you show me how you
like
were sleeping?
like this. I was doing like this, with my eyes on my arm,
Mm-hmm.
completely the weight of the head on the arm. Later, I remember that when I was a lot of time in the lab, I was doing that,
Mm-hmm.
and then I start to see different. I
Mm-hmm.
didn't go to the doctor,
Mm-hmm.
but later I started my master. I start to spend less time in the lab, so my eyes went back to normal.
Mm-hmm.
When the master, when I finished my classes in the master, I start to work again in my thesis.
Mm-hmm.
I was again back to the lab. I think I was sleeping again, like that again,
Mm-hmm.
and then it started again, and it did not stop after that.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, I was
Rubbing
rubbing my
a lot,
eyes a
yeah.
lot, and that was in 2006, 2007. I think I went to the doctor 2009, 2008, and that when I got the first diagnosis of keratoconus.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So you think there's a relation between the way you slept and the rubbing and the keratoconus? Because this was before you were diagnosed with keratoconus, in fact.
Yeah, yes. I was rubbing my eyes a lot
Mm-hmm.
because of the computer. I was spending more time in front of the computer in the lab. Before that, I was going to classes. I was spending a lot of time sitting, watching someone presenting things. After that, when I started my master's, my PhD, I was a lot of time in my desk working the computer. So I was sleeping, and of course, I was more time in front of the computer, and perhaps my eyes were drier, and
Yeah.
I was rubbing more.
Yeah.
And on top
Especially
of-
you rubbed with the fist and knuckles.
yeah,
Yeah.
like that. No, like I don't remember anymore. It was so much time ago.
Yeah, that's fine that you stopped it because now you're stable since you've
Yeah.
stopped rubbing your eyes, which is
It-
the best thing.
Yeah, I think I did that, and